This is Keith Brown with Commodity Consulting with some commentary for Monday. It's about 3 o'clock, a little after Eastern time. We started off today with deliveries on the March cotton. There were 52 deliveries. JP Morgan took most of them, I'm sure, for a commercial, and then the rest of them, the paltry few left behind, were taken by other major wirehouses, I'm sure, representing commercials as well. The market really sort of sold off. Spot March did go to 67.5 and all the way back down to 64 something, and then finally finished about 8 points higher. The other months were down well over 100, although they did close lower. They were not down a tremendous amount, and I think they were a little concerned. They, meaning May and July cotton, were concerned if the tightness is so great, then why were there any deliveries at all? But that being said, the market had been up about 4 or 5 straight days, so have a correction today is certainly permissible, and I would think we would try to regroup and get a little higher. But the market could wait till after Chinese New Year's, which I think is after next week, and then going into the month of March. So as it stands, I think the cotton trade for the near term is still momentarily friendly, I suppose. Over in the grains today, we saw all the grains sell off. USDA put out some really strange acres numbers on statistical projections, nothing to do with actual acres this year. It was a little friendly for beans, and they did trade up, but finally sold off in corn and wheat as well. Of course, wheat continues to suffer from too much wheat and not enough demand. I think we did see South Korea come in and tender for a little bit of wheat, but that's not enough to stem the tide. The dollar strong today as the trouble in Ukraine still is with us. The Russian separatists continue to battle the Ukrainian nationals, and that sent the euro down and the dollar up. Also sent crude oil down as well as the gold. It was kind of late in the day. Crude oil, actually spot crude, went under $49 for a while. But it's interesting that spot crude did get a rally late in the day, as there was a report from the Financial Times out of London that OPEC might think about calling a meeting. It turned out later on that it was Nigeria wanting a meeting. I'm sure they've been squeezed on the price. Doesn't mean they're going to get one, but that little talk certainly rallied the crude up. But again, it came back under $50. So tomorrow being Tuesday, maybe a switch of pace. We'll see. If you have any questions or comments, give us a call, 1-800-910-1910. Thanks for listening.